Hello, sports fans. I am Jonan Wild Cherry, and
I'm Elijah Stanley.
And we're here for a game like no other. Who's playing?
Today we have the evil elephants, right?
Yeah, it's the evil elephants, man.
Right. And we have the red team. It should be a pretty even match.
Yep. The red team, they've had a good streak this year.
Yeah, they've gone against the blue team and the green team.
Already. Yeah. Do you have any idea who you think's gonna win?
I personally think Jared has a good chance here.
Yeah. I'm gonna.
I can't deny Smith's. It'll be a close race.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with Smith. I'm putting some money on him being at the championship game, actually.
Not too much money, I hope.
Yeah, I know. Just a couple bucks. Yeah.
All right.
And we'll see you right after this ad.
Hi. You don't need to know my name, but I'm Klutz. I used to spill my drink, my coffee, my water, whatever I was holding, all the time. It drove everybody nuts until I got Stanley. Stanley is a completely spill-proof cup. It'll keep your water cold for hours, keep your coffee nice and hot for a long time, and totally Klutz-proof.
Alright, Elijah, well, it looks like we're coming over to Isaac first. Look, he's setting up his balls. Oh, and over here.
And yeah, looks like Jared is too. He's putting most of them on the side, it seems.
Yep, all of them on the side right there. And Smith has spread his balls out there. Winds up for first shot, and it's a hit on the orange. Missed down the middle. Another ball knocked in. I think that's a purple.
I think so, yeah. Another field goal there. Yeah, right through.
And it's come pretty fast now.
Yeah, I think Smith just hit one in.
And Smith again hits in the purple.
He's having a good comeback.
Oh boy, and Jared
hits another. And Smith, he almost hits in two.
Oh boy, can Jared keep his lead?
Jared moved to the blue ball, but he didn't even get it.
He has a chance. Look at this. Ooh, it's a miss. I can't believe it. He's gonna lose.
And he lost Ray.
No. Come on, hit. Yes, look at that. Oh, come on. Oh my goodness. No way.
Got it on the mercy.
Wow. All right, sudden death. Look at this. All right, Jared comes up for the shot, winds up, takes his time, releases it, and it's a hit.
They hit.
Jared wins. Look at that. Go, Jared. Hello, fans. This is Jonan Wild Cherry, and I'm here down on the field interviewing Elijah Jared, who has just won the game for the evil elephants. Jared, how did you think the game went for you?
I think it went well. I mean, I won. So.
Yes, absolutely. Did you dedicate this game to your dying grandmother?
I am now.
All right. Excellent. Come back for another round of carpet ball right after this word from our sponsors.
Yo, what up, Red Team fans? It's Isaac Smith here, and if you're enjoying this video, click down in the logo on the bottom right, and you'll be able to check out our whole channel, the Red Team channel. Not really though, Swiss Attack Lego. And I will see you in the next one. Alright,
we're back on the field here.
And it seems that Wild Cherry's up versus Jared.
Alright, Jared's for the Wild Elephants, and Wild Cherry is for, the Evil Elephants, and Wild Cherry is for the Blue Hawks here. Yeah. Looks like Jared has the first shot. He winds up. It's a miss close off to the right.
Yeah, he got close to the red though. But
powerful shot down by the Blue Hawks.
Got the maroon one in really well.
Another miss.
Bounced off the back there.
Ooh, look at that. He's knocked another one, and then Blue Hawks.
Jared's trying out to put
Evil Elephants.
Power in that.
Yep. Looks like. And two more by the Blue Hawks. Look at that.
Blue Hawks truly is a formidable opponent.
Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. There is no way. There is no way. Look at that. Yeah, look at that.
Hi, I'm Elijah Stanley. I'm here with Jonan Wild Cherry, and he just beat the Evil Elephants easily. Is there anything you're dedicating this win to?
I guess the milkshake I ate this morning.
I see. Okay. That'll be all. Thank you.
Yep.
Alright, and a brief word from our sponsors.
Coming up. Invasion of the Zombies. Sunday at 8. Link in the description.
Alright, looks like Wild Cherry's up, and he's putting one in the center and two on the side, just like he did against
That's
Cherry.
a standard Blue Hawk strategy.
Very smart. And Smith does the same thing as well. He spreads it out. Same thing as he did last time against Cherry.
Alright, Blue Hawks is a miss.
Ooh, but he gets...
Red team.
Yeah,
Ball
red team
in.
gets
Oh my goodness. Did you see that?
Jared just got
3
two
balls
in there.
Oh my goodness.
That's
Jared. I think you
Wait,
can watch
yeah.
Cherry. Oh my goodness. And it's down to 1 ball left for the red team. Red team gets one in. Oh, it doesn't. It's over. It is over. What?
Oh, no.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
the power
barely
was so hard. It went
barely
like
stays on red team's side. Yeah, look at that. Oh no.
Oh my goodness, you just got
Oh
two.
my gosh.
You just gotta get that one. No. Oh.
Yeah,
and that's Cherry. What a
Look at that.
comeback.
Would you look at that?
Fans, I am Jonan Wild Cherry again here with Isaac Smith, who has just beat the opposing team at Carpetball. And I'm sure that you've practiced a lot over this last weekend in order to get that down. That was absolutely amazing. 2 balls at once in the last shot. What a comeback. What a comeback. The fans, they went wild. Just wild. That was amazing. Well, this is Jonan Wild Cherry here with Isaac Smith.
Hello, this is Jonan Wildcherry, and I am Elijah Stanley. So this is right after 3 fantastic games. Let's talk about them.
Yeah, so in that first game we had, it was Smith versus Jared, wasn't it? And
The red team versus the
Evil Elephant. So yes,
Yeah.
I love those teams. Those,
Those are good teams.
yes. Smith cut up and it was down to sudden death. It was a good shot by Jared though to finish that off. That was superb.
Yes.
Superb.
He just barely won that one. He scraped by. He seems very confident though.
Oh yes, definitely. All right. Well, this next game was against.
It was against the Blue Hawks and Evil Elephants again.
Yeah. And that was a pretty good game, I have to say.
The Blue Hawks were hitting with incredible power.
Yes, they were. Yeah, I think that's their general strategy.
Several times though, I did see Jared cringe back, like he was scared he was gonna hit.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, Jared was doing pretty good. It was overall, I think, a pretty good game. All right. Well, in this last game, we had the red team wearing their white jerseys versus the Blue Hawks wearing their blue ones. Representing the Blue Hawks, we had Jonan Wild Cherry, and on the red team, we had Isaac Smith. Yeah, Isaac Smith. And that was a pretty intense game.
It was a good one, yes.
It was interesting because the Blue Hawks and their strategy, they took a lead really quick at the beginning, and they just with their hard fastball hits. But toward the end, though, red team had 1 ball left. The Blue Hawks had 3.
And
Blue
it
Hawks
bounced
lost all
off
of
them.
them.
Yeah,
That
and it
was
bounced
amazing.
right off.
Amazing.
Yeah.
It's too much time into putting force into it, not enough time into aiming. That'll cost you the game any day. Yeah. Well, also fans, you Blue Hawks and Red Team fans, you should get your Stanley
Cup. It is a wonderful cup, impossible to spill, even by the most klutziest of us, and keeps it hot all day.
Reporting out.